Birch Gold Group Review. Birch Gold Group, or BGG, is an online gold investment company that has been in business since 2003. With many years of experience in the gold business, they have established their brand as one of the most trustworthy providers of precious metals and asset-backed retirement plans today. This review will look at both sides of the coin to see if this company stands up to its claims or if it's just another scam artist trying to take advantage of investors looking to make some extra money. What is the company about? Birch Gold Group is an investment firm that deals in physical gold and silver bullion, cryptocurrency and coin investing. They also have a weekly newsletter with tips on how to invest in gold, as well as education to help build your knowledge about gold investing. They are well known for their BBB rating of A+ and have gotten nothing but positive reviews from clients and website users. Birch Gold Group has been around since 2003, which makes them a fairly new company in comparison to some of others out there. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and they offer affordable options for people of all income levels. Their prices vary based on how much you're looking to purchase and how quickly you want it shipped. Their gold IRA has a low minimum of only $10,000 to open, compared to many companies which require a minimum of either $25,000 or $50,000 to start. Birch Gold Group has hundreds of positive reviews online and they've also been featured in multiple media outlets. The company is family-owned, which means they really care about providing quality products and services. When you visit their website, you'll find information on how to invest in precious metals, as well as articles from their weekly newsletter. The site also provides education that goes above and beyond typical investment info so you can learn about gold investing 101 and how to get started with it if you're brand new. They even have information on where to buy specific pieces of jewelry that are associated with gold investing or have gold in them. Offering A+ rating with BBB. Birch Gold Group is rated A+ by BBB, an independent agency that assesses business sellers. If you're worried about anything shady happening at Birch Gold, don't be. The company received the A+ rating based on over 2 decades of successful operations and customer satisfaction. The company has also been in business for over 2 decades and their longevity shows. They've managed to build up a solid reputation in an industry with millions of members, which is difficult to do. Their rating with BBB isn't influenced by any one single customer. Rather, it's based on hundreds of reviews gathered by independent agencies across multiple years. With Birch Gold, you're always dealing with real people, not computers. Whether you email them or call them, their customer service representatives are highly trained and live in the USA. There's nothing more frustrating than speaking to someone at your bank who can barely speak English and has no idea what you're talking about. Thankfully, that won't happen here. Birch Gold is also known for having one of the most friendly support teams in our industry which will do everything they can to help when an issue arises. Gold IRAs with the Birch Gold Group. Low IRA minimum of only $10,000. With the Birch Gold Group, IRAs are as low as $10,000. That is well below the $50,000 requirement that other companies charge to set up an IRA account. Plus, there is no minimum monthly contribution requirements either. If you want to invest regularly each month, great. Just invest as often as you would like, and they will manage your portfolio accordingly. But if that's not something you're interested in doing on a regular basis, it's fine too. This gives investors complete control over how much they put into the market each month and how much time it will take for them to reach their goals for growth. Most other companies set a minimum of $50,000 to invest. That's great if you're in it for long-term growth, but not so much if you're just looking to put some money into gold as protection against inflation or when markets get rocky. With Birch Gold Group's low minimum of $10,000, it allows you to make shorter-term investments and adjust accordingly. And as an added bonus, they offer 4 different precious metals IRA investment options so that you can choose what's best for your financial future. For gold investment, Birch Gold Group has a simple 1% yearly charge to manage your account and all trades are free. This is one of their many benefits since most companies charge $10 or more per trade, which can add up over time if you trade regularly. With Birch Gold Group, it's all included in their low management fee. So you never have to worry about hidden fees taking away from your returns. They also don't require investors to hold any minimum amount for long periods of time like some other companies do. This makes it easier to invest as much or as little as you want with no strings attached and not have to wait months before being able to withdraw your funds if needed without having penalties assessed. If you're looking for some protection against inflation or when markets get rocky, an IRA with Birch Gold Group can give you all of these benefits. Plus, as a limited time offer, they're offering new customers free precious metals with qualifying purchase amounts. To learn more and get your free kit from Birch Gold right now, click the link below this video or visit http://www.goldforthefuture.com to get more information.
So after watching the video, I'm sure you can see what a well-established and reputable company the Birch Gold Group truly is. They truly care about their customers and make sure they are very happy with their services. One of the best things about them is their low barrier to entry. While many companies' minimum investment can be $50,000 or more, you can start a gold IRA investment with Birch for as little as $10,000. You can take the next step by getting a free Birch Gold kit by going to the website goldforthefuture.com. Again, that is goldforthefuture.com. I want to wish you the best of luck in your financial journey. I'm Anne from GiveMeTheGold.com. Take care.